Jai Hind everyone. Today we have gathered for the celebration of NCC Day. But today it is not just about NCC, it is about the emotions that we carry in our khaki vardis, the pride which was carried by Captain Vikram Batra and is being shouldered by us. This day becomes very crucial as we celebrate NCC Day today. We carry pride in our khaki uniform because of the past which NCC was made up with. And not to forget, it is a place which provides cradle for young and future leaders of India. NCC Day is observed on 4th Sunday of November because it was on this day the first unit raised in Delhi in 1947. Let us have a look on how NCC came into existence. NCC stands for National Cadet Corps. NCC was first started in Germany in 1666. It was formed in India with National Cadet Corps Act of 1948. It was raised on 15 July 1948. NCC was formed to make up the shortage of Indian Army. It was made more attractive to the youth by dressing like the army. Pandit H.N. Khunzru played a vital role in establishing NCC in school and colleges at a national level. That was all about how NCC came into existence. Talking about its today's goal and motto, which is unity and discipline. Here we will see what are the qualities which is being developed in an individual being. It aims to develop qualities of character, courage, comradeship, discipline. It also aims to enlighten the leadership qualities among the youth who will serve nation regardless of which career they choose. Now moving on to the another topic, which is national integration. Here in NCC, we are not people belonging to different reason or religion, but we are connected to one another with a single notion of idea, that is India. Various camps like national integration camps and special national integration camps are being organized. Various activities like state awareness programs, debates, quiz competitions, demonstrations, culture presentations, etc. are being organized to bridge the cultural gap between various states of India. NCC is the premier organization which nurtures the youth of our nation. Republic Day Camp is the most important one that promotes national integration. NCC as a personality development platform. Most of us, like me, I'm very much sure before joining NCC must have had contagious habits like getting up late and so on and henceforth. But after joining NCC, I'm very much sure that these little things which make up a person's character must have been changed for better. Now, let's talk about the alumni of NCC. We belong to such a group which prepares the nation and the generation for a life which will be full of challenges, test of strength, and which molds us in facing things with utmost gumption and stoicism, with strength and patience. Our alumni consists of resilient forces like Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Srimati Sushma Swaraj, Sri Manohar Parrikar. Contributions are not merely in number, but it lies in every ex-cadet who has ever been part of this magnanimous institutions like NCC, and those underappreciated contribution shall always be remembered by each and every Indians. NCC cadets in wartime. As I already talked about the history of NCC, the participation of NCC cadets during wartime becomes very significant. Hence, this is a little overview about the participation of NCC cadets during wartime. During 1965 and 1971 war with Pakistan, NCC cadets were the second line of defense. Here are the rare pictures of NCC cadets during wartime. The first picture depicts the participation of NCC cadets during 1962 Chinese War. And the second picture, we can see the unsung story of NCC cadets during wartime. Here is a citation during Indo-Pakistan War. Following an air attack by four Pakistani planes on a goods train carrying inflammable materials like ammunition, diesel, and kerosene oil, a wagon caught fire and thick columns of smoke spread fast, causing terror and confusion. 50 cadets rushed to the railway station and brought the fire under control. They detached the wagons loaded with ammunition, thus preventing a major explosion and a fearful disaster. NCC cadets during the dire time, like you can see that in this picture, it clearly depicts then how NCC cadets extend their helping hands during the COVID situation when we all were shut down at our houses during the lockdown period. As we have already reached at the end of our presentation, here is a beautiful poem written for the NCC cadets that celebrates their sense of duty, commitment, and comradeship. शान से करते टेढ़ी टोपी लगा के हैकल लाल चले, कंधों से मिलते कंधे इनके करते ये कदम ताल चले। उम्र भले ही लड़कपन की हो, जज्बा इनका बेतोड़ है पर सजे खड़े तैयार वर्दी में आज़ाद हिंद के लाल चले। Thank you so much for bearing with me. I would like to take a millisecond to appreciate our team. And that's from my side. Hope I could provide some interesting insight into it. Jai Hind.